rhymesprime.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, you bounce on your head. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for the dog, who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for giraffe with a neck so high. H is for hat, you wear up to the sky.
I is for igloo, cold and white.
J is for jelly, that is wobbly and bright. K is for kite, flying way up high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, with eggs and bees. O is for octopus, waving 8 arms. P is for penguin, with wintry charms. Q is for queen, with crown so bright. R is for rainbow, what a sight. S is for sun, that shines all day. T is for train, that chugs away. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, with a sweet refrain. W is for whale, that splashes wide. X is for xylophone, with colors side by side. Y is for yak, with furry feet. Z is for zebra, black and white and neat. Click the like if you had fun. Subscribe now for more joys to come.